I live in London with my partner, and we just came back from spending a whole month in Southeast Asia, traveling around Vietnam and Thailand. This is the first episode of the series where I'm going to share everything about this trip, including my favorite moments, my favorite places, and adventures from both countries. So starting off with our journey, we booked our flights with Qatar Airways in economy, going from London to Hanoi with a connection in Doha. But since we do love good service and comfort, and who doesn't, we looked into the options to upgrade to business class, and we saw that we actually could do it with Avios. So, of course, we went for it. We couldn't upgrade the whole journey, so we still flew from London to Doha in economy. The flight took about 6.5 hours, and it was okay, except for the guy behind me who kept pressing his knee against my seat and nearly driving me crazy. But other than that, it was fine. In terms of the comfort and the service, it was pretty standard, so I'm not really going to extend myself too much on that. Then arriving in Doha is interesting. So we just arrived at Doha, and now we're gonna get our transfer to Hanoi. When you're a business class passenger, like we were from that point, you get access to the very fancy business lounge. I kind of wish our connection was a bit longer so we could have enjoyed the lounge a bit more, because we just had 2 hours between our flights. Once you're in the business lounge, you can help yourself to drinks from the bar. There's a really nice buffet as well. Or you can have a really nice a la carte meal with some champagne like we did before rushing to our next and much more exciting flight. Qatar claims to have the world's best business class, which I'm in no position to judge since I've only ever flown business with KLM and Air France. But I can confidently say that in terms of the service, the food, the amenities, the comfort, it makes it to the top of my list. Now let's talk about the flight. The moment you board the plane, they greet you by your name. They give you a couple of refreshing towels. They give you a cold drink. And this is while they're boarding everyone else. So, really good start. The dining experience on board was outstanding. There was an a la carte menu with starters, 5 different options of mains, a selection of cheese, dessert, 3 types of bread. You can also get unlimited drinks, mocktails, cocktails, beer, soft drinks, hot drinks, whatever you want. I went for champagne and steak, and it honestly was 10 out of 10. As you can probably tell, I ate a lot on this journey, but seriously, no regrets. The amenity kit includes pajamas, slippers, a really good eye mask, and a gift box from Diptyque that comes with a lip balm, body lotion, face cream, and a perfume. They also provide noise-cancelling headphones, but obviously they're not for you to keep. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know the concept of a turn-down service before this trip. If you're also unfamiliar with it, what happens is on a long-haul flight, after dinner is over and they've cleared everything, a member of the cabin crew will come to you and will offer to prepare your bed so you can go to sleep. Then obviously if you agree, they will do that. So then your seat goes completely flat. They bring like a quilted mattress to put on it to make it a bit more comfortable. They bring pillows. They pretty much tuck you in. Then they close the door of the suite and give you, privacy and some peace and quiet, so you can go for a lovely few hours of sleep. Seeing Vietnam from above was a fabulous first impression, and it really set the scene for the fascinating places we visited and the experiences we had during this trip. And that's what the next episode of this series will be all about.